Lakay Syra Jane D. Buhatan, Sorsogon City, with academic distinction. Lagadon Candice Jocelyn R. Tugos, Sorsogon City, best in on-the-job training. Candice Jocelyn R. Lagadon with academic distinction. Lagula Jenny E. Sorsogon City.
Of the Philippine Red Cross Camarines Sur Chapter, as Secretary of Bicol Foundation on Higher Education, a past Assistant Governor for Area 4 of the Rotary District 3820.
Thank you very much for your very, sabi ko nga, parang bloated introduction. But totoo naman yung mga facts doon. I stand by it.